Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to restore default button settings on your Corsair M65 RGB Ultra. First, open up the ICO app for our M65. Click on the mouse and go to Key Assignments. As you can see, if you changed anything, I changed my DPI up and down to open Windows R, for example. You can also add something else like mouse and remap the buttons. The forward button can be our back button, or we can set it as a left double click. Now we can test it out, and as you can see I can double tap the folder and it opens. I can do that again. I'm pressing this button and it opens the folder. If I single click, it won't open, so that's how we know it works. What we're interested in is removing it, so click on the three dots and delete. Once I delete everything, I'll click on a folder again and now it does not open. The folder won't open, but when I double-clicked manually, it opened. So, we got rid of every key assignment and restored the default button settings. That's how you can do this. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.